Hi everyone, welcome back. It's still MOSHEH TV here. So today we're gonna be giving let's just say not very full tour, but close to full tour of Awka today. So we noticed something on Friday that I visited, which is a lot of sweeping and repainting is currently going on in the city of Awka, the capital of Anambra State. So we are currently at Amobia Flyover. So Amobia Flyover is under repainting, and also a lot of sweeping has been done in the area. So this is Amobia Flyover, almost that they are done painting this particular place, just remaining few other places like the artwork. They are currently drawing Soludo and other people on the flyover, and the other section are still undergoing the painting too. So leaving the Amobia axis, we head out down to Kwata to see what is going on there. And not just that they are painting and sweeping the area, they are also planting other trees. So, and what we have to suggest over here is maybe those carpet glass, they should try as much as possible to be watering it in order to keep it alive. So right now we are at Kwata Flyover, and in the Kwata Flyover nothing much has been done here, though it's still under painting, but they just started. They are just starting, they have not gone far over here. So in the Kwata Flyover, as you can see, nothing is currently going on that much, but at the entrance from the other side which we are heading, you will see. So they are coming up. They just started the painting not quite long. So we visited on Friday. I believe by now they might have gone beyond this. So from this angle we are heading to other axis, which is I think Unizik Junction. So we're gonna be heading to Unizik Junction. The Unizik leg over is also undergoing its own painting. His own painting is undergoing his own painting and other things. So they are currently repainting almost the entire Awka, to give a new look for the Xmas, and other places are receiving a very deeper sweeping, so which I'll also be showing you in all this video. So after this Unizik Junction, the Thames site which you just saw right now, the painting has not been completed, but they are working on it. So right now we are the popular Aroma Flyover. This Aroma Flyover, I think the aroma and that of Amobia side is almost at the same level, just that the inside of the aroma has not been painted, but almost all the round has been painted, almost, not everywhere. Like the other side of it, which I will also show you when we are coming back, not everywhere has been painted, the inside has not been painted. And if you go to the Amobia side, almost everywhere has been painted, just remaining finishing touch in the artwork and the rest of them. So from this aroma side, from this Aroma Flyover, I give you guys a kind of should I say, not that full tour, but I will also be showing you other part. So I came down from the motor to have a very deeper tour of the area. So after this Aroma Junction, we're gonna be heading to Awka. So I also visited Awka to go and see what is happening there. So when I arrived at Awka, I noticed that a lot of painting was done in the area too. So they did a lot of painting in the area, and a lot of sweeping were also done there. So at the Awka axis, what actually made me visit Awka is because I was in search of the Silicon Valley, the solution tech hub, which they say is currently under construction around the Awka axis. So I have to take out my time to visit and know if I could be able to film the area, but I was unable to get the actual location. So after much questions and no answer. I have to do this filming, and they left the area. So please guys, we know where the Silicon Valley is located, the specific location where it's located. Kindly drop them via my comment section. So this is the Awka. This road is leading you to Awka AMC. Awka AMC is the Awka Millennium City, the estate, which I also visited, but I did not capture any video. I just went there to know if they will allow me to have access and have the view of the area, but according to the people in charge, they say they have closed for the year till next year. So we are currently at Awka, heading back to the roundabout. I did not video the roundabout, even though the roundabout was painted too, and a lot of sweeping we are done there. I did not video the roundabout because police people were there, so I don't need any trouble. Somebody will not say I'm videoing them, so I have to stop it over there. So right now I'm going back to Aroma, and we just passed the old government house along that along that axis. So going back to Aroma, and very soon we're gonna be stepping down in Aroma. So this is Aroma, and over here I stepped down from the bus to have a full view of the area. So all this angle has been painted, and a lot of deeper sweeping has been done on this axis. The painting has stretched down except the inside, like under the flyover has not been painted, but other places has been painted. So, and the remaining some few parts, I think that particular angle which they jumped, I think artwork will be done in that area, which is the one you are watching right now. I think they're gonna draw something there, so that is why they just leave the space that way. So from here we're gonna be heading other side. A lot of places in Awka is undergoing deeper sweeping, repainting, and other things. So from this Aroma junction we'll be heading down to other places to see things for yourself. Then at the end of the video I will be making my own contribution. And please, like I used to say, it's not a political platform, so I will make my contribution based on what I observed when I visited. So it's not in any way attacking anybody or anything. It's just my own opinion about what I feel. So the whole thing that is going on right now, I really enjoy it, to give the the area more beautification and the rest of them. But there's one thing I don't enjoy about the whole thing, which I'll be making summation of it before the end of the video. So let's go down. So from this Aroma we'll be heading down, and there's another place which this repainting is currently going on. That's a library road. Yeah, library road is also under painting, like you can see there. So it's under painting too. They are currently painting there. So leaving those axes, I also access the club road. From club road I visited this angle. I think this is Y junction or something. No, not Y junction. This is not Y junction. This is about club road, the one leading to the Y junction. So over there what you just watch is where they currently are, where they the painting people currently are the day we visited, and all this angle heading to the Thameside junction has been painted. So where I'm gonna be making my own submission is from this angle. There's something I noticed here. Though the sweeping has been done, every other thing has been done, but as you can see in the video, I just come across that hip hop sand or hip hop mud, which they did not touch, and there's other ones I'll be showing you in the front, because according to Igbo, and Igbo sina onye zacha efe okporia mano zabe. So as it may be, once this thing is done, they're supposed to remove it, not leaving it there, and before you know it, motorists will start climbing on it and start spreading it again. So another thing I want to say is this: a lot of cleaning has been done. The painting is going on. It's a very nice work, but I'm still having problem that we are practicing an open drainage system for now. But at least can that open drainage system be clean for once? Like, can we be able to clean it up so that the whole place will look neat together, so that we'll not be perceiving different kinds of odor along the road? Even if this thing can be achievable from this side, as the state capital, that we can achieve keeping the drainage system clean from this capital state, then before heading down to any other state, I think it will be much better. Let's show the example from the capital city. So the cleaning has been done, but the drainage system remains the way it is. So that is the second heap of sand over there, which they have left that way, and they have not taken it out. Before you know it, motorists will start climbing and the thing will start spreading back. So it's good after cleaning, you remove the all the whole nyama which you bring out or whatever. So the whole cleaning is done. Why is the gutter still dirty? Can we at least clean the gutter, even if there's an open drainage system? But at least when somebody is looking inside it, the person will feel happy, like, yes, it's an open drainage system, but at least it's very neat. So let's start it from the state capital. So right now we are heading back to Awka. This is Awka Flyover. As you can see, nothing much is going on there, but they are currently repainting it, but it has not gotten to that bigger level. And this one is the Anambra Flyover too. So you can see that a lot of work has been done there. So if you have watched this video to this extent, kindly do subscribe to this channel, click on the thumb up button, and don't forget to share the video. Until we meet again in our next video, and don't forget, please, if we can start that cleaning from the capital city, ogabiye mo blue mia kaidoba ni bocha dalo no umonnem kemesia.